convert a machine into regular expression NFA to DFA. Machine can be NFA, other can be DFA. From the last lecture, we have seen the same example in which A was the final state and B is not final state, and in that state we removed B and we solved the equation. But now we are making B as final state and A as non-final state, and here first we are removing A. So what we will get on B, same as R4 as a loop, so R4 as a loop, but we are removing A here, so whatever is on A we will take as a loop on B. So from B to A there is a transition R3, so first we write R3, then a loop of R1 on A, so we will write R1 star, then A to B there is a transition for R2, so we will write R2. So after removing A, what we will get? We will get this one. So what we can write now, we can write RB as these are the two loops on RB, so we can write R4 plus, because these are two loops, so we will write in plus R4 plus R3 R1 star R2 whole star. Because these are two loops, so we will write in plus. First loop is only R4, so we will write R4, rest R3 R1 star R2 whole star. So this is the value of RB. Now what will be the value of RA? Because A or B, so we are representing RB RA. So what will be the value of RA? Because regular expression, so we will write in the form of R. So what will be the value of RA? RA will be RB. The value of RA will be RB dot. What is coming towards A? What is coming towards A? We will write here. What is this? R3 from B to A, R3 and R1 star. So we will write R3 R1 star. So this is the value of RA. RB dot what is coming towards A? R3 R1 star. That is the value of RA. So RB value we know from here, so we will put RB value here, so we will get RA value. So RA value will be R3 R1 star from here, and whatever V value we get from here we will write here R4 plus R3 R1 star R2 whole star. So this is the regular expression for this machine. Now move to the next. Suppose if we have this machine, suppose we have this machine, so what will be the regular expression for this? The regular expression will be B star A, because this is final state, so it can be B star A one time. And what else can be? It can be B. Either it can be B, because B is a final state and there is a loop on B, and it can be A B star A. It can be A B star A, A B star A whole star. B star A, because this is final state, so it can be B star A, or it can be B plus, because it's a loop, so we write either it can be B or it can be A B star A, like this, because this is a final state, so we have to reach on this state only, so that's why either it can be B or it can be A B star A whole star. So this is the regular expression for this machine. And suppose if we have machine like this, so what will be the regular expression for this? This can be B, either it can be B, either it can be A B star A, A B star A whole star. Either it can be B, because A is a final state, or it can be A B star A whole star, because it can be multiple time. Now move to the next. In this we have seen either B is a final state, so this is the regular expression for this, and if A is a final state, then this will be the regular expression for this. Now suppose if we have like this, if we have machine like this, machine is same, only difference is that here B is the final state, here A is the final state, and here both are final state. Both are final state. So what will be the regular expression for this? The regular expression can be B, because A is final state and we have a loop of B on A. So B, or A B star A, or A B star A. Whole star if A is final state. So either it can be B, or either it can be A B star A whole star if A is final state. But if we are talking about B as a final state, so what can be the possibility? A B star, epsilon plus A B star. If we are taking B as a final state, so it can be A B star, epsilon plus A B star. So this will be the regular expression for this machine when both the states are final. Now move to the next. Suppose if we have a machine like this, suppose if we have machine like this, so what will be the regular expression for this? This is the machine in parallel. This is the machine is parallel because there are two branches. So what will the regular expression for this? Regular expression will be A star, A star, and plus B star. It's B star. Both are final state and they are going in the different direction. That's why either this can be possible, either this can be possible. So that's why we write plus here. That's why A star because it's a loop, and B star. So this is the regular expression for this machine. This is in parallel. And suppose if it is like this, suppose if it is like this is in series. So what will be the regular expression for this? Regular expression will be A star dot B star. Because this is in series, that's why it will be A star dot B star. But here it is in parallel, that's why it is A star plus B star. Now move to the next. Suppose we have a machine like this. Suppose we have a machine like this. Sorry, in this direction. Suppose we have machine like this. So what will be the regular expression for this? Both are final state. So start from here. B star. Regular expression for this machine can be B star plus, because this is in parallel. So B star plus, what else it can be? It can be A star B. It can be A star B, A star B whole star, A star B whole star, or A star. This is B star, simple, and this can be, initially it can be AA star because there's a loop and this is the final state, so it can be AA star. So first we write AA star here, or it can run like this also, A star B whole star, or it can be A star B whole star. So this is the way we can make a regular expression for this also, and these are the simple way by which we can make regular expression for any machine. Further I will discuss later.